Alrighty guys, we got the bike running. She's running good, battery's charging. Now we're gonna do the throttle cable on the, there's two, one of them is ripped. You can actually see it right here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna replace it. Therefore, he's not riding down the road and it just splits in half and then he's stuck because he can't, basically he can't give it throttle. So we're gonna do that now. Basically what you gotta do is on the throttle at the engine, you have to loosen these. Therefore there's no tension on the cable, and then you could just take it off, and that's the clip that it goes on the throttle in the engine. And then you have to put it here on the throttle on the handlebars, and that should do it. So I'm just gonna do that now. Should take care of that. Cable replaced. Gotta be careful when you do this because you could break this plastic, the switch to turn it on. So just take your time, make sure you do it right. If you're not in a rush, don't rush it, you know. Right there. Now we just have to get this bad boy to go in the throttle body like it's supposed to. So this will go up. Let me get in here. Well, the toughest part is gonna be getting this in its place, but I could actually do a little, I could cheat a little bit. One thing we noticed when I took everything apart, the rotor here, caliper, was actually missing a screw. So I found one to see if it's gonna work, and we're gonna make it safe, man. You can't be riding like that out here. So we're just gonna try that. Seems like the thread's not the same, so I'm just gonna go get another one. But yeah guys, when you get a project like this, man, look it up and down so you don't run into anything later on when you're riding and be on the road and something happens, you know, you would crash. So things like that could happen.